Hey friends, I'm so excited about today's video. I'm going to help you maximize your live streams by showing you how you can stream to multiple platforms at the same time using one single source. Stay tuned. Okay, how many of you have the practice of going live on a regular basis or know that you need to? Because yes, you need to. But you're intimidated by the whole thing because you think, okay, so I have to do my live on Instagram, and then I have to shut that down, and then I have to do my live on Facebook profile, and then I have to shut that down, and then I have to go live on YouTube, and I have to shut that down, and then I have to go live in my group, and I have to shut that down, and it's just overwhelming. It's overwhelming. And then you add in all of these other platforms that you have the possibility of going live on, like Twitter and LinkedIn, TikTok, all the things, right? It can get to be stifling, so much so that you just don't do anything. But these days, we know that going live, showing your face, letting people hear your voice, connecting with your audience in that way is a huge part of growing a business. So I'm going to show you one of my favorite platforms. It's called StreamYard, and I'm going to get in there and I'm going to show you exactly how you can connect all your places, and then you can choose 3 at a time and go live simultaneously, literally killing 3 birds with one stone. Keep watching. All right, friends. If you don't already have a StreamYard account, you're going to need to set one of those up. But once you have it and you log in, it will take you to a page that looks something like this, broadcasts. What you want to do is you want to go over to destinations and click that. You'll see I already have a bunch of destinations that I stream to on a regular basis, but you're going to click add a destination, and then you've got all of these different things that you can do, right? So you can add more Facebook pages. You can have multiples of these. You can add a Facebook group. You can add a Facebook profile. So I'll just go ahead and set this up and see if it'll let me add my personal profile. Oh, that's already connected. So I would go back. Let's see, I'll add a new group. Let's add the Project Broadcast Lab. Open Facebook settings, and then you're going to need to go down and type in StreamYard to the apps. So you can just search for StreamYard, click that, give it permission, and the group is added in your StreamYard. So if you go down, there it is, Project Broadcast Lab. So you can connect your YouTube channel, which I want to do. So you'll see I have a lot of Gmail accounts. So make sure you're collecting the Gmail or connecting the Gmail account that has your actual YouTube attached to it. So it's going to ask you for permission. You click allow. Ta-da, there's your YouTube. So what happens if you want to add something that's not here? Well, you have to have a custom RTMP code, which is a streaming key. So in this case, I want to add Instagram. So I'm going to go to our custom RTMP, and it tells you exactly what you need, right? So you need the RTMP server URL and the stream key. So we're going to go over to my Instagram, and you're going to click create, and then live video, and then you're going to add a title. I'm just going to do test for right now. You can choose your audience, public, practice, hello, pro tip for anyone who is a little bit shy of going live. Practice first, no one has to see it. And then you can change the permissions of who gets to see it later on. So it'll stay private unless you make it public, which is really cool. So we're going to choose practice for right now. And then you click next. Ta-da, here's exactly what you need. So here's your stream URL. So you're going to copy that. We'll go back over to StreamYard and paste it right there. Go back to Instagram. Here's your stream key. Copy that. And then you're going to paste that in the stream key, and I'm just going to name it Instagram. You don't need to check this box. It's uncommon. It's not required. So you're just going to click add RTMP server. and you're all connected. So if you go back to destinations, you'll see my Instagram down here. Now, I have been told that you can also do the same basic thing for TikTok. Look for an RTMP code. I have not, I don't use TikTok on a regular basis, so they have not rolled out the live streaming function to me yet. With an RTMP, I can go live on my phone. I cannot do it with an RTMP on my desktop. So, but it's fairly easy to do, and it's basically the same two things that you're looking for. You're going to add it the exact same way. Add a destination, custom RTMP. You'll find the server URL and the stream key. Put those in there. TikTok, add it, and you're good to go. All right, so now that we have all of our destinations added, we are going to set up a broadcast. So you just click on broadcast, click create, and you can choose 3 different places that you're going to stream to simultaneously. So you need to choose wisely where you're going, and then you can choose how you want to do it. So you want to do a live stream. You can use, you can go live then, or you can pre-record it. You can just do a recording. And then there's a new feature with on-air webinar. I will do a tutorial on that another day. It's really cool. So we're going to choose live stream for right now. We're going to do studio, not pre-recorded. And then here are all the destinations that I currently have set up. So remember, you can choose 3 at a time. So we were going to do Deconstructing Digital, which is my Facebook group. I'm going to do my YouTube channel and the new Instagram that I just set up. So for this, we're just going to do test and test. You don't need to schedule it for later if you don't want to, but you absolutely can. And then you just click customize for each destination. So if you want it to be public or private, if you want to put in a different description for this group, you can do that. Again, you can customize this for each destination. So on YouTube, you could do public, unlisted, or private, just like you have the options to do those when you upload a video natively in YouTube. You can customize the descriptions with hashtags. I know that hashtags work well on some, they don't work well on others. And so then when you're done, you're just going to click Create Broadcast. It's going to give you a few little pro tips. And then you make sure that your mic is working. You can mute yourself, you can stop your camera, you can change some of the settings. Display name can change here. And I'll do a full tutorial on StreamYard on another video, because there are ways that you can customize it with your logo and your branding colors and all the things. StreamYard is great. So once you're ready, you're going to click Enter Studio. And then you're going to go down here. You can see it's blank up here right now. So you're going to go down here and hit Add to Stream. Ta-da! And then you have several different options. If you want to have multiple people on with you, you can choose the layout of those things. If you're going to be doing a screen share, you can do that as well. And you are literally good to go. You click Go Live and boom. 3 places. 1 time. Maximize your effort. Don't you love automation? So, what do you think? Does that make going live seem a little bit less overwhelming? And for those of you who already love going live like me, did you see how much time, energy, and effort you can save through just a little bit of automation in your business? Man, I love automation. I hope that you found some great value in this video. And if you'd like to continue to do that, if you will just hit the subscribe button, do that. Make sure you turn on notifications so you get notified every time I put up a new video. Usually happens every single Monday. And if you'll check down in the description down there, for those of you who need some tips and tricks to make you feel more comfortable going live, I have a great new free download that gives you all of my favorite tips and tricks so that you can have a great live that looks professional and you still feel comfortable sharing with your audience. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.